and in today's video we will talk about how to add money to your Greenlight card. Watch until the end of the video to learn everything you need. A great way to teach your kids and teens good money spending and saving habits is by getting them a Greenlight debit card. But of course, before your young ones use it, the card has to have money. To top up a Greenlight card, you must link a parent wallet. Here's how to do it. Open the Greenlight Kids and Teen Banking app on your device, sign in to your parent profile, and go to Settings. Proceed to Funding Preferences, then Funding Sources. Next, tap Add Funding Account and choose Add a Debit Card or Add a Bank. Enter your debit card or bank details and confirm the information. From there, you can transfer money into your child's Greenlight account. With these steps, go into your parent wallet and find the account you want to send money into, choose which category you want to send the money into, enter the amount, then select Move Money. And there you have it. Simply follow these instructions to load your Greenlight card with money. Thanks for watching.